Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mr. Koval, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to calculate the amount of the mass of water that's expelled from your body when you breathe for 1 hour. So let's get into this. So in this problem we have an adult that takes an adult takes about 15 breaths per minute, with each breath having a volume of 500 milliliters. If the air that is inhaled is dry, but the exhaled air is at 1.00 atmospheres and is saturated with water vapor at 37 degrees Celsius, what is the mass of water lost from the body if you're breathing for 1 hour? The vapor pressure of water at 37 degrees Celsius is 47.1 torr. Now, there's a few ways you can solve this problem or strategies. The one I'm going to use is the one that I think just is more straightforward for me, is to first calculate the mass of water vapor in one breath of air. So in order to do that, we're going to have to first use the ideal gas law to convert to moles. So we have to figure out how many moles of water vapor is in the air and then convert that to grams using molar mass. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have here 47. So we're given a pressure of 47. So let's write this down. So the pressure, 47.1 torr. We're going to need to convert that to atmospheres. I know that 760 torr is equal to 1 atmosphere. And so when I do that, torr cancel out. And I'm going to get how many atmospheres? 0.6197. 6197. So 0.06197 atmospheres. So we have our pressure in atmospheres now. We have temperature. So temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. We're going to have to change that to Kelvin. So we're going to add 273.15. And when we add that, that's going to be 310.15 Kelvin. Let me double check. So 273, it's going to be 300. Yeah, 310. Okay, so now that we have our temperature in Kelvin, we have to convert our volume. We have the volume of the air. The volume being breathed out is 500 milliliters, one breath. So volume is 500 milliliters, and we're going to need to convert that to liters. So 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Milliliters cancels out, and so then this becomes 0.500 liters. And now that I have everything in the right unit, I can now use the ideal gas law to convert to moles. So PV equals nRT. So moles is going to be equal to PV over RT. So pressure, that's going to be 0.06197 atmospheres. Here, let me write this down below so I have room. So pressure again is 0.06197 atmospheres multiplied by the volume, which is again 0.500 liters. All of that is over RT. R is 0.08206 liter atmospheres over Kelvin mole. And that's going to be multiplied by the temperature, which is 310.15. So now we can cancel out units. So atmospheres will cancel out, liters will cancel out, Kelvin will cancel out, leaving moles, which is what we want. So when I calculate the number of moles, I get 0.00 121,744. 121,744. 0.00 121. What else did I get? 121,744 moles of water. Now, sig figs. So the number of sig figs I have is, I have 4 sig figs here, 3 sig figs here, 4, and I have 5. So remember, when you're multiplying and dividing, your answers should have the same number of sig figs as the least number, which in this case is 3 sig figs from this here. So remember, this should be 3 sig figs here. The least number is going to be 3 here as well, because remember, when you add and subtract, the number of sig figs, or the answer you get, should have the same number of decimal places as the least number. Here I have 0 decimal places, so that would be underlined there. And I have 3 here, so 500 milliliters. And so the least number is 3, so I'm going to put a line there. I'll keep some of the digits. You can keep at least 1 digit to avoid rounding errors. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the number of moles that I have, right? Or the number of moles. So 0.001217. I'll leave it there. I'll put a line there. This is moles of oxygen. Now I can just use conversion factors to convert to the total mass that is given or released in 1 hour. Okay, so here, let's see. I'll just do my molar mass. So first I'm going to convert moles to grams using the molar mass of water. So this should be water, not O2. So H2O. And so here I'm going to put 1 mole of water. On the top I'm going to put 18.016, I believe. 1.6, yeah, I guess 1.5, something like that. And that's going to be grams of water. So now moles of water cancel out. And now I have grams of water per 1 breath, right? So let's go ahead and calculate that. And so when I calculate the number of grams, that's going to be 0.021932. 0.02192. So, and this is grams of water. So that's the number of grams of water in 1 breath. So now that I have the grams of water in 1 breath, I can get rid of this. I don't need this anymore. So now I have, let's see here. So now I have my grams, right? So this is 0.021932. 1932. And remember sig figs. So here I have 3 sig figs. So the answer here should have 3 sig figs because, again, your answer should have the same number of sig figs as the least number when you're multiplying and dividing. So here I have 3, here I have 5. So I'll keep that one. So I'll underline the 2, I'll keep the others. Maybe I'll just keep the 3. So this is grams of H2O per 1 breath. BR for breath. Now I want to convert this into number of grams that is lost per 1 hour. So now I have grams on top. I need to convert breath to hour, right? So I know that there are 15 breaths per minute, so I can use that to convert to time. So I'm going to put 15 BR for breaths in 1 minute, and then I can convert minutes to hours. So I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So breaths will cancel out, minutes will cancel out. Now I have grams per 1 hour of breathing. So when I calculate this out, all I need to do is multiply and divide. And when I do that, I get 19.7 grams per hour. So that's the mass of water that is lost from your body when you breathe for 1 hour. So I hope this is helpful. Again, there's other ways to do this problem. If you have an easier way or one that makes sense to you, put it down below. I would like to hear that from you. If you enjoyed this video, if this helped you in any way, then please like the video, share the video, hit the like button somewhere over here. Also, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. When you do, click all so you'll be notified by all the videos I put out. And finally, put a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Ask me questions. I would love to hear from you. If you have a problem or a question you need help with, or if you have a topic you want me to cover, put that down below. I would like to do that for you. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.